Is dosa good for weight loss? Dosa is unarguably one of the most popular food dishes in India. Although originated in southern India, over the decades, it has acquired a pan-India status and is today enjoyed across almost every part of India. But not many know that dosa falls under fermented food category. The even more important thing to know is that this southern Indian dish is considered foremost amongst the healthy fermented food. As for what is fermented food, then there are diverse definitions about it, and it's better to dwell on them on some other day. Today, we'll specifically talk about health advantages offered by dosa. After watching these benefits, we bet that in the future you'll eat more dosa than you had ever imagined. Hello friends! Before you start watching our video, don't forget to subscribe to us and press the bell icon beside the subscription button to get notified every time on YouTube. Why adding dosa to your weight loss diet is a great idea. South Indian delicacies are healthy and delicious, but it also depends on the way of preparation. Plain dosa is considered to be very healthy as there's no stuffing and is just a plain pancake. However, with so many culinary innovations, dosa made with oats and other healthy grains can be actually low on carbs and good for a weight loss diet. So, if you are planning to cut down on calories and opt for a healthy diet, then dosa can be your go-to delight. Number 1. Good for the bone. Due to the presence of calcium and iron in the ingredients of dosa, it is a great delicacy for fitness enthusiasts. It also helps the body in developing stronger bones and increases circulation of oxygen and gives the body ample energy to stay healthy and fit. Number 2. Easy to digest. Dosa is prepared with natural ingredients and the batter is fermented for at least 6 to 7 hours and is loaded with plant-based proteins, which are good for health, and due to the process of fermentation involved in it, it becomes easy to digest. Number 3. Helps in weight loss. This amazing delight is a perfect balance of ingredients which gives the body ample nutrition. Made with a batter of split black lentils and rice. Dosa is rich in healthy carbohydrates and proteins, which makes it a healthy and wholesome delight for Weight Watchers, as it has everything to keep your nutrition count intact and is absolutely delicious. Number 4. Low calorie. Dosa is delicious as well as healthy food. The best thing about this delight is that it is low in calories and is mostly prepared in a non-stick base with very less oil or ghee, which makes it even healthier. Moreover, it is one of the best delicacies to go for if you are planning to lose weight, that too without compromising on the taste. These are the health benefits of dosa, so are you including it in your diet? Feel free to comment in the comment box if you have any questions. And if you liked our video, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up.